Welcome to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today we are going to explore a very simple topic. Actually, this topic is suitable for school-going children. The topic is understanding how electronic weighing machines work. How electronic weighing machines work. All of you have seen electronic weighing machines used at different places nowadays. Anyway, so an electronic weighing machine consists of different parts. Parts are a load cell is there, strain gauge is there, Wheatstone bridge is there. Then comes analog to digital converter, ADC. Then a microprocessor unit is there and a display unit is also there. Display unit is the place where you can see the weight of the substance being measured. Okay, digital display unit. Okay, load cell. What is the function of the load cell? Load cell, actually the load cell generates the output voltage signal proportional to the weight placed on the scale. Okay, so that is the function of the load cell. What is the function of the strain gauge? Strain gauge either stretches or compresses according to load applied or load removed, and it is proportional to the load. The load generates, load creates pressure, and accordingly there is a change, means there is a deformation of the strain gauge. Okay, and accordingly the Wheatstone bridge can measure the resistance. You know the function of Wheatstone bridge. By measuring the resistance of the strain gauges, it is known that what is the load was applied. But yes, more units are there, such as microprocessor unit is there. After the load cell, suppose the load cell has already generated the output voltage, then means analog signal actually. Okay, then that analog signal is utilized by the ADC, that is analog to digital converter, and digital signal is produced or is generated, and that digital signal is used by the microprocessor. What is microprocessor? This is known to you. This is nothing but a microprocessor can be regarded as a microcomputer. Okay. Anyway, so that digital signal is fed to the microprocessor, and the processing occurs inside the microprocessor, and then the output is sent to the display unit, where we can see by our eyes the weight of the substance being measured. Okay, so many things are there in an electronic weighing machines. Okay, so many things are there, and I think you are familiar with all the things, such as I have mentioned load cell, then strain gauge, then analog to digital converter, then Wheatstone bridge, then microprocessor unit and display unit. So many things are there, and all are very simple things. Okay, if the function of all the things are known to you, then you can easily explain how an electronic weighing machine works. Okay, but before that, before explaining this thing, the functions of all the small units should be known to you clearly. So what is the function of a load cell? Load cell generates the analog signal proportional to the weight being measured. That is the function of the load cell. That way you should keep in your mind this thing. Okay, Wheatstone bridge, this measures the resistance. This measures the unknown resistance. How resistance changes? Because strain gauge is being used, there is a change in the length of the strain gauges. Okay, either compression occurs or expansion occurs. In both the cases, there is a change in length and accordingly there is a change in resistance. And that resistance is measured by the Wheatstone bridge. What is the function of the ADC, that is analog to digital converter? Load shift produces analog signal. That analog signal is converted into digital signal by the use of ADC. After this production, after this generation of digital signal, that is fed to the microprocessor unit. This is a programmable unit, okay. And then microprocessor calculates everything. It is pre-programmed. Instructions are already given to the microprocessor for the calculation, okay. Anyway, and then that thing is, at last, that thing goes to the display unit where we can see the weight, okay. So many things are there, and various machines are available for various ranges. You know, gold is also measured by using these electronic devices, electronic weight machines. Again, tons of weights are also measured by the same instrument, by the same device, but the sensitivity of all the devices are not same. It depends on the weight being measured and depends on the accuracy desired. Okay, if desired accuracy is much, then in that case, same equipment but construction procedure is somewhat different. Sensitive materials are used. Anyway, so this was all about the topic how electronic weighing machines work. Okay, so this was the science behind it. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.